Hey, what's going on, guys? You and me for the win of Universal Minecraft. It's Tutorials here. And today in this video we are going to be doing part 3 of my Minecraft 1.12.2 modding tutorial. So today we are going to be doing a block. I decided we're not going to do tabs. We're just going to do a block and get it over and done with now. It's not difficult, but it's just a lot more awkward, I'd say. So, we're going to create a class called block base, and we're going to make it extends block and implements our has model. Oh god, I'm even worse at typing now. Right. And import net.minecraft.block. We don't want this, we just want this. Click finish. And yeah, there you go. Right, now we're going to add the constructor. Right, and first we're going to do item init dot items dot add new add new item block of this dot get it's this dot get registry name. Inside this it's this dot set registry name, I think. Now I'm probably wrong, but we're about to find out, aren't we? So let's import item block. Okay, I've done something wrong. Wait, no I haven't. String name and material in the parameters. And yep, we need to import material from net.minecraft.block.material.material. Okay, I thought I'd done this wrong. Heck, I'm stupid. So, it's instead of, yeah, this is kind of totally wrong. It's, well, it's not totally wrong. So, all we need to change is this and replace that with a bracket dot. And do we need an extra bracket? We need to open a bracket there. Do we need to then close a bracket? Oh wait, dot set registry name to this dot get registry name. Right, there we go. And we're also going to do block init dot blocks dot add now this. Now obviously we don't have block in it yet, but we'll create that in a second. So now we need to super off of our parameter material, which means we can use it in our block init. And we can set unlocalized name to name. We can set registry name to name. We can set creative tab to creative tabs dot materials. We can probably do a tab in this episode too. Right, but first I need to do register models, which is pretty easy. So it's tutorial block. No, what am I on? Tutorial mod dot proxy dot register renderer item.get item from block this, and for meta it's 0 once again, and for ID it should be inventory. Inventory, yes. Right, I think that's everything, so now let's create our block in it. So let's create class, and we need dot init. Yep, that's it. Public static final list off of blocks. Let's put a space there. Is equal to a new array list off of, once again, block. Open parentheses, close parentheses, and there we go. And let's import all of these. Net.minecraft.block, java.util.list, and there we go. Right, now let's do public static final block, and we're just gonna do we'll do I don't know. Silver underscore ore. Wait, what am I doing? Okay, yeah, equals new. No, let's do. Yeah, we'll do silver block, not ore. That doesn't make sense. Equals new block base, because we haven't done ores yet. We'll get onto that soon. Shouldn't be that long. Right, so in here we just need the quotation marks and material dot whatever material you want. So I want mine to be material dot iron, because silver's close enough to iron. In here we want silver underscore block, and import block base, save all, and yep, there we go, fixed. Right, this looks okay. Now there's one more thing we need to do, and I actually didn't copy the code for this because I totally forgot. But in registry handler we need to do the blocks. So I know we need a function called onBlock. There should be a function called onBlock register or onBlock. Like there's something block. No, there's something called onBlock, and I think it's registered. I think so. OnBlock register, because it overrides. Guys, I got it. So first we need to add this and import these net.minecraft.block, and that should, yep, add those. And we've got this one. And what I was doing wrong is it's meant to be a subscribe event. Like that. And go this, because we don't have tile entities yet. And yes, guys, I will be doing more advanced tutorials in the future, such as crops, entities, tile entities, GUIs, world gen. All of that stuff will come. You just gotta give me time, because I've got to do this small little stuff first, and then we can move on to that sort of stuff. Wait 1 second. 11 minutes. let's create a tab. Right, so we're gonna, in tabs, we're gonna create a new class, and we're gonna do tutorial tab, and let it load, and we're gonna do extends creative tab. Right, guys, this is all wrong. So just need to change a few things. So basically, what we've done. Let me change the constructor. So what we've done is we've got string label, and we're supering off of the string label to make our name. So what we're going to do is we're going to name this tutorial mod tab, and then we've done this dot set background name, and we also want this as tutorial mod. Do we want tab? Wait, no. So tutorial mod.png, and here we've got our tab icon. So basically this is the name of the PNG, and this is kind of what we're just setting the name as for anywhere else we want to reference it. And in main we need to do, I think, so it should be under all of this, and there should be a public. Now this might be wrong because I'm not too sure on this one. Final creative tab. Maybe it's new creative tab, or is it just no. Creative tabs. Tutorial mod tab equals new, and then we want tutorial tab. So I think this should work. So, is there an argument? Yes, the string name. So, let me. Alright, so what we want for the string name is we want tutorial tab, and there shouldn't be a .png. I don't think. No, there shouldn't be a PNG. Right, and now we need to do, in here, we need to do refactor, rename. So it should be Minecraft dot textures dot GUI dot container dot creative underscore inventory. And in here, we're going to need to put our texture. So, what you want to do is you want to go, you want to go on paint.net, or your chosen art program, and open from the Minecraft assets. So, I have these in here. So we want textures, GUI, container, creative inventory, and never seem to have it in here. I don't know why. I think I might have deleted it accidentally. But I will put a... yeah, I'll put a link to it in the description. Basically. So I'm just going to grab one from my other mod. I'm going to open this one. And I'm going to select it. And I'm just going to recolor it. Obviously you can do more to it. You can add like designs and all that. But I'm not messing around with that. I'm just doing this a bit simple really. Don't want to make it complicated. We're going to put ours as purple. Let's do Thanos. And we can obviously choose multiply, etc. I think I'll do overlay. Even that's not bad. Just gotta make sure it's not filled in. Color dodge? Reflect, maybe? It's very pink. Not glow, that's horrible. Overlay, maybe? Difference. I'm liking difference. And negation. Between difference and negation. No. And XOR. XOR and negate. No, XOR. And difference. I think they're slightly different. I'm going to keep it as this. I mean, obviously we can select all of these and make them slightly darker. But I don't. Yeah, we'll do that. So we will just select them all. So you don't have to do this. It's up to your personal preference. Change that to global. We want to do not multiply, we want to do negation. No, XOR. Didn't work. Of course. Love you. So we just want to kind of do that sort of colour, but maybe a bit darker is what I'm thinking. And if I do that, and do Control Shift F, and File, Save As. Right. Let's put it in, where's tutorial mod? Tutorial mod. Source, main, resources, assets, Minecraft, textures, GUI, container, creative inventory, and it should be tabs underscore tutorial mod. Save. Right. So now we need to do the block states and stuff for our block and the lang and all that. So let's just say that this is now items. And down here we're going to have blocks, and it will be tile dot silver underscore block dot name is equal to silver block. And now that's done. I'm going to grab my texture real quick. Alright, so I just put all the files in. We have silver block, and all I need to do is change the mod ID, and I'll put all these in the description, all these JSONs. Yeah, I'll put those in the description. And that should be it. Wait, did I do block states? Nope. Right, and I think that should be it. Hopefully. Probably not. but we're about to find out. Right, we've got loads of time. I'm really hoping this will work, because I want to get on to more complicated stuff as soon as I can. This may be posted on this exact same day as the last two. I don't know until I actually upload it. It depends how fast I get to editing it. I personally find editing quite boring. I find recording fun, but editing's really boring, and I mean, it's worth it. Definitely worth editing, because otherwise this would be a horrible video. Trust me. It's probably already pretty bad anyways, but... because I'm not a very good editor. At all. So it's a good job I'm not intending to go into film production. If I had the software, I would be better. But the software I have is very laggy. Sometimes. I don't know, I haven't tried it in a while. And yeah, I've changed around the spawn a bit. Just to make it a bit better looking, really. So, our tabs here. Oh yeah, we didn't do the name for this. Oh yes, but of course, nothing's in there. Oh, how stupid. But we have our block, and it can't be placed. Why can't it be placed? Did I set the name as silver underscore block? So we've got our item model and our block model also working, but it seems to be the block state. So this is where debugging comes in. So you can check the console. Assets. Did I really set my... Did I put my mod ID as tutorial block? Oh my god, I'm so stupid. Right, while we're at it, we'll set the tab name. Let's do this, and... oh, no, I want to name it tabs, and we'll do item group dot... don't know. Okay, I did mod there, thank God. I did mod there. Yeah, it was just the block state. I knew that, but just had to double check. Right, so it should be tutorial mod equals tutorial tab. That might be wrong, but I'm pretty sure that's correct. So what's this error right here? Yeah, it's the block state. So it's looking for it there, and then it's looking for what it actually is. Yeah, I'm stupid. Don't mind me. Yeah, so next episode hopefully we'll be able to get on to food, because that's not difficult. And then we'll do food with potion effects. Trying to think of what else we could do, which is kind of in the more simple area of things. So I think we'll do recipes, because that shouldn't be difficult. And then, yeah, we'll do both types of recipes, crafting and smelting. And then I think we'll work on custom model blocks, which might be a bit complicated, but I think I know how to explain it quite well, so should be okay. Right, let's go on to here. Oh, and if I accidentally do loads of uploading in like one day, that's because I don't have time to do it all. You know, other than one day. Like I just don't have time for that. Oh, and by the way, it works. We'll check our tab too. Oh, it's got tab on the end. Alright, let's fix this. Let's put our items in the tab. And yeah. Yeah, so if I upload loads on one day, that's because I don't... That's because I probably wouldn't have time on another day, and I like to get it out as fast as I can. Alright, so the way you put it in a tab, instead of putting creative tabs dot, you do your main class dot. So it'll be tutorial mod dot tutorial mod tab. I'm just gonna copy that, and we'll put that for item base 2. You can set it an item in it instead if you wanted to, but I don't see why you'd want to do that. Unless you kind of wanted to have it in more than one tab. But most people wouldn't need to know how to do that. And let's set it lang tutorial mod tab. Alright, and that should be it. Oh, and don't mind that it says Obsidian spelt wrong, because it's not. I'm 900% sure it's not. AKA 90% sure it's not. Because, I don't know, I find it a hard-ish thing to spell, but I'm not very good at spelling. I mean, yeah. But I'm pretty sure I spelled it right. Who knows? If I've spelt it wrong, then I've spelled it wrong my whole life. I've released mods with the same kind of name as that, so if that's wrong, then, well. Oh yes, and I have released my main mod now, just so everyone's aware. I'm just fixing one thing, and I'll release it in beta 0.4 kind of as I'm recording this video. Well, not as I'm recording, but after I've recorded it, that'll be released, and I'll put that in the description. And that's kind of, yeah. I do have biomes, but they don't seem to show up for some reason. Either that I just haven't searched far enough. So let's get rid of that. Now, are they still in miscellaneous? Good, they're not. So, tutorial tab, and there we go. And we've got our scrolling thing. We should have search. Or maybe I got rid of that. Oh, that's fine. We don't need search. We're not going to have that many things. So yeah, anyway guys, if you did enjoy this video, please do be sure to smash your face into that like button and subscribe. If you really enjoy the video, please do be sure to share it. And I will see you guys next time. Peace out. Do